Do it like you were before. Go ahead. Wait till you see this. You're not going to believe it. It really looks like somebody else's hands. I swear to God. We'll put it on YouTube. We'll put it on YouTube. We gotta put it on YouTube. We're not even drunk. That's the sad part. This is hilarious. Oh, I gotta save this. We have to watch it when we're old. You're gonna crack up.
You're gonna make me pee.